whatever the result of the mission.
One man, one mission, one movement that shook an empire. This is the story of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the man the world called Mahatma, the great soul of India. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, a small coastal town in India. He grew up in a deeply religious family, learning the value of truth, non-violence and simple living. At 19, Gandhi sailed to London to study law. He lived a modest life and followed a strict vegetarian diet. Inspiring by moral and spiritual idols. After earning his degree, he returned to India briefly before accepting a legal job in South Africa. In South Africa, Gandhi experienced racism firsthand. He was thrown off a train for refusing to level the first-class compartment, even though he had a valid ticket. That moment changed him forever. He began fighting for the right of Indians through peaceful protest, laying the foundation for a powerful new form of resistance. Satyagraha, the true force. Gandhi returned to India in 1915. He traveled across the country, listening to the pain of farmers, workers, and ordinary peoples under British rule. With simple clothes and even simple words, Gandhi united millions. He led peaceful protests like the non-cooperation movement, the Salt March, and the Quit India movement, all without ever picking up a weapon. In 1930, Gandhi marched 240 miles to the Arabian Sea to make salt, defying British law. It was a simple act, but it shook the world. His peaceful defiance became a symbol of strength. His weapons were truth, non-violence, and compassion. He showed that true power comes not from fear, but from courage, patience, and love. But not everyone agreed with this path. On January 30, 1948, just a month after India gained independence, Gandhi was assassinated by a Hindu extremist in New Delhi. The world mourned the loss of a saint, a teacher, and a leader. Gandhi's life inspired global icons like Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, and countless others. He taught us that real change starts with each of us. In our thoughts, in our heart, and in our action. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." More than a century later, those words still echo with truth. Remember Gandhi, remember peace. Subscribe for more stories that change the world.